A few years ago, Aviv finished a food system and food security project with a rather large organization. There was, perhaps is still, so much potential for food security and sovereignty, except that the organization was structured in a way that departments didn't share information, create plans together, or even talk to each other. We identified the siloing of information as the logjam in the organization. If removed, so much of what they all wanted could be realized. Fast forward to a few weeks ago when I joined a meeting for the Savory Institute with Regen Network to understand how AI, artificial intelligence, could be used to break down silos and share information. Besides learning about how women have used AI in court battles with powerful, abusive men to win, and win without paying a fortune, this was the best use of AI I had experienced. It was about connection and sharing, better together, instead of extraction and competition, more, faster, often with massive externalized costs. Through community service in my rural community, I have learned that most people do not use computers. Smartphones, yes, but usually with quite a bit of assistance from a tech-savvy friend or family member. What is AI going to do with that divide? Will it break down silos and close gaps, or leave people far behind? At Abbey, we are examining these questions and the true environmental costs of the data centers needed to support AI. In holistic management, and specifically in checking decisions, we consider where energy and money come from and how they will be used in a project, investment, enterprise, etc. It feels highly relevant to the decision about when, how, and to what extent to engage AI in our work and lives. The Savory Global Network is also asking these questions. Below is a summary of a presentation given by Michael DeCellis, a Savory Hub leader with the Montana Working Lands Project, about large language models, a subset of the broad category of AI and usually the way most of us experience AI. In addition, Andrea Malmberg provides her reflections on the paradox AI presents us with and how the practice of holistic management might help us enhance our human creativity and design ways to mitigate the ecological toll it is playing. How are you inviting AI into your life? Is it showing up uninvited? Personally, I dabble in it using Lumo, a Proton product, because it is encrypted. Despite the many offers by Gemini to help write this letter to you, I declined and opted to use my biological, locally sourced language model, my brain, instead. Whatever your computing style or preference, I hope the summer solstice is joyous for you and includes spending time in the beauty of the natural world. Abbey.